Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Here I am with one more time-lapse video. Hope you like it, and if you like, do not forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So here we are making, as usual, black and white drawing. The only difference is that it's not in my sketchbook and it's not entirely random or intuitive. It's for my friend who wanted me to make a bird, some flowers or leaves, basically jungle look. So she wanted me to make everything what I like to make, what I like to draw. So as you can see, I have started recording this piece after sketching my main bird highlight of this artwork and two flowers. Though I wanted to record this whole artwork from the beginning, but unfortunately I forgot to switch on my camera. Anyways, I captured most of it. Isn't it good, right? I mean, it's good enough. So my friend wanted to have a bird from Altered Bridge album Blackbird, but as usual, I'm bad at copying things. So I thought of tweaking it, but I don't think it's anyways close to the original logo, but that's okay, right? It's my version of that bird, and it's gelling with the whole composition. What do you think? Do let me know your comments in the comment section, and we can have discussion on that. So one more interesting part of this piece is that it's not completely pen on paper. So I completed this artwork on Procreate. So this is 90% on paper, drawing on paper, and 10% is on Procreate. After one point, I realized that the proportion we wanted to have in the beginning cannot fit in the A3 size paper. So I had to switch to Procreate to complete this artwork and to get the desired outcome, basically. So if you see the video till the end, you will get to know what I'm talking about. So I guess I should leave you here, and please enjoy rest of the video, and like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.